up, guys? Just want to make a quick video about the new Honda I just bought on this windy ass evening. It's the 2020 Honda Civic LX. Now the rims, they came from the dealership as well. Let me get out of there and zoom in on them. They're the P5 ones. It's just an offer that they offered me, so I just said yeah. They tinted the windows, pretty much all black. It's pretty nice and clean. It's okay on gas for the most part, but the main reason why I wanted to make this video is because I got it straight pipe, and it sounds pretty good, you know, and it's all for shits and giggles. It's nothing for performance or anything like that. So the people who did my straight pipe was 5-star Muffler and Automotive out in Apple Valley by Victorville, in that area, if you're familiar with California. But yeah, this is a brand new 2020 Honda Civic, blacked out. One of the things I really like about it is the way it looks, is that there's not too much chrome. I'm not a big chrome guy, but it just has the perfect balance with the emblem and the little arches right on the grille. I think it's pretty cool. It has the blacked out middle. So other than that, we're gonna get some recordings of the muffler, the way it sounds, and we'll just check it out right now. Before I go into the recording on the way it sounds, this is actually what they did. So they just straight pipe muffler delete. We still have the resonator and everything, just literally just the muffler delete. And I just purchased one of their tips that they had. You know, I thought it'd be pretty weird, nothing coming out. So yeah, it's just a muffler delete with the tip, and it sounds pretty good for what it is.